like to hear from other marine scientists who won individual awards or publication award, I believe, right? We would like to hear first from Dr. Aleta Iniguez.
Magandang hapon, magandang umaga. Parang haba na ng tawagin. So, ako, actually, hindi ko alam kung dapat nandito kami, but anyway, I'm a professor at the Marine Science Institute, and I'm a biological oceanography focus and model ng mga ocean system. So, yung kanina po nagtalk ko yung ginagawa, yung mga gumagawa ng mga models and tools para makatulong for marine conservation, mas naintindihan ano mangyayari sa mga resources, with the impacts ng iba't ibang, for example, pollution or algal blooms and also climate change. So, nakikitrabaho rin kami with communities para at saka mga iba't ibang agencies para ma-apply yung mga natutunan namin to actual measures for mitigating mga risks, hazards, and also policies going forward. So, I think yung paper na why I'm here, it's a collaboration actually with UP Cebu, Dr. Brisnel Edulantes and the team there, and we were looking at yung anomaly na yung anomalya sa mga pag-iinit sa karagatan ng Pilipinas, and so yung paano na and how that has been increasing in frequency, mga marine heat waves in the past years because of climate change, and how that can potentially affect resources, marine resources natin. And actually with Patrick, isang paper din ako. He's a new master student. So, he's graduate student.
Congratulations. Thank you, Dr. Ale.